Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. Today we will discuss one question from combinations and permutations. It is asked in many competitive examinations, especially I have taken from a CAT examination. Question is of 22 points on a plane, 8 points are on a straight line, 7 are on another straight line, and 10 points are on third straight line. How many triangles can be drawn by connecting some 3 points from this 22? The options are 22 combination 3, 22 combination 3 minus 8 combination 3 plus 7 combination 3 plus 10 combination 3. 22 combination 3 plus 8 combination 3 plus 7 combination 3 plus 10 combination 3, and last option is 8 combination 3, 7 combination 3 plus 10 combination 3. Okay, so how many points are there? 22 points are there. And to draw a triangle, how many points are needed? It is 3. So total points are 22, and for drawing a triangle, we need to join 3 points. So number of triangle possible with 22 points equals to 22 combination 3. But here what happens? 7 are on a straight line. So when points are on a line, suppose I am taking A, B, C. If I join them, these 3 points, it does not make any triangle. So the triangle possible from 7 points on first line is your 7 combination 3. That will not be possible. So that will be subtracted from 22 combination 3. In the same way, 8 points are on another line. So 8 combination 3, when I will join those points, the triangle is not possible. So the answer will be, it should be 22 combination 3, and we cannot frame the triangle taking your 8 combination 3. Again, we cannot form the triangle taking these 7 points on a line. This is 7 combination 3, and last one is, there are also 10 points. You cannot draw the triangle, only one line will be possible. So it will be 10 combination 3 will be subtracted. So here the question is better because no need of calculation. Only you can write in the answer. This will be minus 8 combination 3 plus 7 combination 3 plus 10 combination 3. So you can check which one is the answer. So B is answer here. So answer is B. So like the video, please comment and share, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you for watching.